Good morning, students. So today we are going to begin with chapter number 2 in part B, that is using data entry tools. Our unit 2's name is data entry and keyboarding skills. Now first understand the meaning of this unit 2. इस unit 2 में आपको data entry and you will be taught the skills for keyboarding. Means you should know how to use this keyboard skills properly. So students, we all need a medium to communicate our thought to others. The primitive way of expressing or communicating our thoughts includes what? पहले हम लोग अपने thoughts, suppose before the computer came, how we used to communicate our thoughts? We used to write down something, okay? We used to draw, or some people, those who are very good artists, what do? They do some sketches, painting, or they dance, or through that they express their thoughts. So there are many things through which a human being can communicate or express its thoughts. But with the advent of the computer system, the medium to communicate has changed tremendously from writing to typing. Now see, with the advent of this computer technology in our life, बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी है, instead of writing we are now directly indulge into typing. So a computer system is a smart machine, but everything has its own disadvantages. It's lacking its own brain, but everything has its own disadvantages. So a computer is also a smart machine, but it lacks its own brain, and thus it works on the instructions provided by it. All of you know, computer is not having its own brain. Whatever instruction we are providing to it by the user, it is going to do those instructions only. So these instructions are given through some input device to get the desired result as an output. This process is known as IPO. You have already learnt all these things in the earlier classes. So all of you know these things very well. I don't need to explain you in detail. इन सब में क्या है, बहुत सारे इनपुट डिवाइसेस अवेलेबल है. सी देर आर मैनी डिवाइसेस इन द मार्केट. कौन कौन से इनपुट डिवाइसेस है? नाउ यू ऑल नो वेरी वेल. व्हाट आर दोज? माउस, कीबोर्ड, टच स्क्रीन, लाइट पेन, एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है, all these things we have studied in the beginning of this book also. But the most commonly used input device is what? Keyboard. So all of you know now what is the meaning of keyboard. You have seen the keyboard also. So keyboard is the basic unit device that is used to enter data by pressing the keys. ये एक बेसिक डिवाइस है ताकि जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें कंप्यूटर को देनी है हम लोग इजीली उसमें टाइप करके by just pressing the keys we can provide. It has different sets of keys for letters, numbers, characters and functions. QWERTY keyboard is the most commonly used keyboard to enter the data. Now all of you must be wondering, ma'am, what is this QWERTY keyboard? QWERTY keyboard means the keyboard what we are using right now. Just see in the picture on page number 148. See, it is given. Look at figure 2.1. Why we are saying that it is a QWERTY keyboard? Because see, on the top first row, which is the first alphabet, QWERTY. See, like this, QWERTY. This is the meaning of, this is now pronounced as what? QWERTY. So that is why it is called as what? QWERTY keyboard, which is very famous. Means this is the keyboard that we are using. Computer keyboards are similar to electronic typewriter. Now see, you don't know what is an electronic typewriter. Before the computers came, earlier there were typewriters. तो typewriters के भी keyboard का यही same होता था. QWERTY. The sequence was, keys of the sequence were in the same way with some additional keys. But there are some additional keys in this computer keyboard. A standard keyboard generally has 104 keys. This also you know very well. In desktop computer, a keyboard comes separately, whereas in the laptop and notebook, it is embedded within the main unit. Now you all know, laptop and notebook में क्या है? The keyboard is already embedded within the main unit. Now touch typing. Touch typing is a method of typing without the use of sense of sight or simply by feeling the keyboard. However, the sense of touch is a little involved since this typing method utilizes muscle memory through rigorous training. In this way, a user can type on the keyboard spontaneously by placing his or her hands on the keyboard without looking at any of the keys. ठीक है? So it significantly improves the typing speed and eliminates the error. What will happen with that? Your typing speed will increase and you will not do any errors. So touch typing simply makes you more productive and it is a skill worth learning. Learning about the computer keyboard and its layout enables you to use it effectively when you work on any type of computer application. The combination of keys are used to access, run programs or used as shortcuts. It depends upon the application being used. Now let us have a look at the keyboard and its keys. Just look at all the keys properly. Now, our next topic is keys of keyboard. This topic we are going to continue in our next class. Thank you for watching.